Hey guys, what's up? Richard with Dent Hero. I'm in Falls Church working on an acorn damaged car. It's an Acura RDX, small SUV, big dents in the roof, about 100 oversized dents. And what makes this job particularly difficult is the underlying structure of this car. On the roof, it's got a lot of reinforcement, bracing, so it's hard for me to get a tool directly on the underside of that dent and work it out quickly. I've got to use all these different types of small hand tools, sneak under the bracing, and slowly, methodically work out these deep, large, oversized dents. Some of them are a little stretched out. About halfway down the roof, so let's take a look. Okay, Acura RDX. Started on the left side here. Still got some spots to clean up. And you can see there's some large dents still remaining. Take a look in the light there. Pretty deep stuff here. Not easy. If you look underneath, you can see all that reinforced bracing. Actually, you can see some of the dents from the underside there. Those are wide open. I'm gonna be able to get to those, but the majority of the dents were behind this webbed reinforcement, so not easy, but we're up for the challenge. And when I'm all done, I will show you the end result. Okay, all done. Acura RDX. Acorn damage, very similar to hail damage. This thing was a doozy. About 100 large, deep, oversized dents on the roof. Reinforcement made it challenging. Still got to paint the hatch. There was some cracked paint there, but and replace the hood. But other than that, this thing is good to go. Mostly PDR on this one. One of the hardest damaged, most challenging roofs I've fixed personally. But I got plenty of time, you know, we're a little slow nowadays, so just kept at it. Patience and perseverance paid off on this one. All right, thanks for watching.